let's get started. Now we are doing practice number 3 already, so now it's turn to drawing number 3. So PDF file here, you can see it's already also like symmetric detail, symmetric sample, so we can use our tricks or actions to draw it very fast and easy. Okay, I want to open like new file in AutoCAD. I opened it. Just drop the file. Sorry, just first of all we need to check the sizes. So as you can see, the vertical size is here like 130 millimeters, but detail is little bit bigger, so we can put maybe like 200. In this side is 70, 170. It means like 240 millimeters. So let's put like 250 millimeters or bigger. Okay, it's up to you. So I want to put 200 millimeters. I want to use auto. 250 millimeters. Just put it, and then I want to put it to right side. To be comfortable, and then I don't want to just drop the PDF file here. But now we need to put like second page. Now second page. This side dimension, the size of our file. This done. So we don't need this extra line. We should go close to this file. Now the quality of this file is a little bit bad, but if you want to use like going to PDF and coming back, you can use also. Like for me, comfortable to find it here. So I wanted to start our drawing with building this circle, the central circle, and then one by one I will do another actions to finish our work. So as I said, just we can draw one side and then copy to another side. The diameter of this circle is like 120, so we are building our circle with radiuses, so the radius will be 60 millimeters. 60 millimeters, done. And then as you can see, there is no mention the center mark, but just I want to put the center mark in this circle, you know, and then I want to build the outside of our detail, the borders, and then I want to draw these two rectangles inside. So I need to find the center of this vertical line. It's the midpoint of vertical line, so it's located in center of this circle. So as you can see, the distance from center of this big circle and to this border will be 140 millimeter, no, 120 millimeters, because in this side the sum of these total dimension of this here is like 240 millimeters, so we can divide it by 2, so it will be 120. So and then I want to find the center of this line, and then going up, if you want to go to this corner, the distance will be, I think, the 80 millimeters, you know, 50, 50, 100 plus 60, it will be 160, so dividing by 2, 80 millimeters. So let's start what I wanted to do. So I want to build the line in this place the distance are like 120 millimeters. So I want to use this trick again, temporary track point, going right, distance is 120, and then building the real line, the length of this line going up to 80 millimeters. Right, done. So if you want to go to build the full part, I want to do it. So I want to build the upside of our detail. So you know the distance from one side to another side is 240 millimeters. Done. So let me go to down a little bit to 80 millimeters. So stop the action. As you can see, we can just put the upside of our detail. So I want to start this part of our detail. So in this case I need to increase this line up to 160 millimeters. Oh, sorry, like this. I should increase it to 80 millimeters, like this. Done. And then I want to build this curve, how can I say, with this tool, the curvy line. So the name of tool is arc. So I want to choose the first choice of with 3 point, building this line. First of all, I need to, as you can see, there is no radius for this place. Here is the size of between these 2 points, and then the height of this curvy line, like semi circle. Maybe we can say that it's like 50, not 20 millimeters, the height of this place. And then as you can see, the width is like 60 millimeters. I want to increase the center mark, extend to 120 this side, maybe 120 to this side again. So if you want to increase it, I want to do it to, let's put it here like 75, and then we need to do the same action to going down, select 75. Done. So let's build these like 60 millimeters here. I want to do like this. I want to build one circle with like 20 millimeters here, one line, sorry, 20 millimeters. Put this part 20 millimeters. Just select the line, and then we need to copy it 30 millimeters going up and 30 millimeters going down. So we will use the copy option, copy tool, copying from here, and then need to go up 30 millimeters here. I don't know why it's not working. I think there's no this line, and then copy. No, let's in this case let's use this tool, this name offset. It's easier to use. You need to choose this one and then select the item, and then choose offset tool 30. Line. You need to choose 2 points, I think, and then the distance is for upside 30, and then you can just do the same action, or if you want to do so, just mirror it. I want to use this one, mirroring. Done. So starting point of this line is here, ending point is here, the midpoint is the ending of this line. As you know, we have line here like this 20 millimeters. So I want to choose this arc tool, starting point, middle, and then the finish. With 3 clicks we build already this, and then we need to delete extra lines. Okay, and then as you can see, we need to trim also. Trim this part. Done. As I said, I wanted to use like mirror tool to build some parts. So I don't want to build this side. First I want to build this part, and then we will do something with others. So the same action we can do here. We will find the center of this place and going up 12 millimeters, as you can see, and then put this distance like 50 millimeters to left, 50 millimeters to right, and then build our this curvy line. Let's use it. Line. Let's build a line with 20 millimeters. Finish it, and then using like this offset tool again. Offset tool. We need to choose 2 pi, and then we need to go to left side 50 millimeters, and then you can just mirror it. If you use mirror tool, you will put the exact same thing, the exact same distance. So as you know, this we have line, so just use the same action. Done. Deleting extra lines. In this case, we need to use trim, not deleting. Trim. Done. Okay, this part, the left side is same. So what I want to do here, just I want to trim this part and this part also, and then just select this bunch of lines using mirror tool. Just I want to copy it to left side. No, I choose like select option no, and then select it again with copied files and original source, and then I think copy to downside of our detail. Done. As you can see, our drawing almost finished, but just we need to put this rectangle, maybe rectangle, here. So as you know, the starting point of this rectangle is situated in 15 millimeters far from in a horizontal side, and then 15 millimeters from vertical. So we need to build one square here, square rectangle with like 15 horizontal, and then pressing tab and 15. So this corner of this square will be starting point of this big square. So as you know, the size of this item is like 30 to 130. So rectangle tool starting. So we need to put the horizontal dimension of this rectangle. It's like 30 millimeters. Don't hurry to press enter, just press tab to go into vertical part of our rectangle. I need to put 100 millimeters. Done. As you know, we don't need this square again. Delete it again. So now we need to there's some mistakes in this sample. As you mentioned, there is no radius this part. I cannot see this radius of this part, so I want to guess it. So I just want to put the use fillet with radius 10 millimeters. So I put radius to 10 millimeters. Just want to do the same action to four side of this rectangle. Done. And then same action, spacebar, the last one, and then you can select this item, our favorite option, mirror, choosing 2 points. Done. Oh, sorry, again I pressed escape, enter. Okay, as you can see, as I can see also, exact same detail. Just you need to put the dimensions and extra decoration. Okay, thank you for attention again.